you off rolling in again. It'll soon be over. Hey! Uh-huh. Hup! 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 Hup!
Hey! Come on, just a little closer. I knew you'd end up trusting me.
Here we are, finally, at the one and only Legends Cup. 5 years we've been waiting for it. Yes, indeed, this race is a rare occurrence and brings together the finest riders in the world. Of them all, only one will be crowned champion. Only one will get to climb the podium and raise high the famous Legends Cup. And now it's time for the action! We're going to start right away with a little cross-country to get the riders warmed up. Let's see what the champions are made of. Lily is being acclaimed by the crowd. Another jump completed. Go on, Lily. That jump was well negotiated. You can see how determined that young rider is. Another jump completed. Go on, Lily. Oh no, refusal. But I'm sure Lily will manage to make up the time she lost.
Hop.
A stunning victory that brings us on to the next event. This competition's show jumping course is particularly difficult. We can expect a great spectacle.
Hop. Hop.
Ah, the Barpel. That will result in a penalty for Lily.
Hop. Hop.
Oh, Lily has just knocked a rail.
Hop. Hop.
A stunning victory that brings us on to the next event. The final event. The gap between all the riders is tiny. It's hard to know who's going to win this famous cup.
Hop. 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 Hop.
Lily is being acclaimed by the crowd.
Hop. 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 Hop.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the end of this wonderful Legends Cup, and it is Lily who is in first place. Many congratulations to our new champion. Lily will have happy memories of this Legends Cup for the next 5 years, and the Federation can be proud of the example she has set for young trainers. For her methods have been handed down to her by Grant, a man who championed respect for and trust in horses. It was a real pleasure to see Lily drawing on this tradition.
What? Ah. Cara's been in her laboratory now for hours. She said she wouldn't be long.
Don't worry, Lily. She'll be back from the lab soon. Her experiments will tell us whether Ruud van Guinness's remedy will function on mares.
Don't you worry at all. I'm sure it will work fine. My father would never, ever lie to me. I'm afraid that he did, Carla. The remedy that he gave us doesn't work. That's just not possible! I'm sorry. My father wouldn't lie to me. It's not possible! Not to me! I am his daughter!
I'm very sorry. Hey! Hey! Ah! Uh-huh. Hey!
Hey, calm down!
I think he's being attracted by something.
Yes, he's been acting weird for a while now.
A filly! But that mare has just had a foal.
Lily, what are you doing? Are you crazy? Lily! Yes,
Carla, there's a healthy family here. We need to move them quickly. Is it possible that plant... What? I hope that your theory is right, Liam.
I hope so too, Lily.
It really works. This plant, it reverses the mare's infertility.
Are you sure?
Yes, it will take a little while before the mares are completely cured, but they will definitely get better.
Yeah, super! They're all saved, Lily. We did it! Lily, you okay?
I thought we'd never manage it.
Everything's fine now. We did it. They've all been saved.
By the way, Lily, I'm coming to live with you for a while.
What?
Well, I spoke to your uncle about it, and he said yes.
Dylan? No, I don't believe you.
I won't have to be under my father's influence. Besides, after what I did to the Van Guinness stables, he'd make my life a total nightmare.
Are you having me on?
No.
No way.
But my bags are fully packed. I just have to go back with you.
We're full up. Carla's coming to live with me? I don't know, but I have to admit that it's thanks to her that we managed to save the Mustangs. If she hadn't succeeded in taming Shyama, we never would have found the plant that saved them in the end. Now that we have solved the mystery surrounding the Mustangs, it's time for me to leave the reserve. But I'm so happy. Happy that we could help the Mustangs, happy that Carla changed her tune. Quite simply, so happy.